Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right at this time, we're going to take a look at our yard-long beans. Now, we planted these late February 2022. It is now April the 14th, 2022. And these things are starting to reach. Starting to climb up the strings. It's exactly what we want. We want them grabbing onto the strings. Now, I had stated in previous videos that I left these old vines in place because I want to see the new vines grab onto them, and that's exactly what's happening. So, some good news there. Now, we don't see any fruit being produced yet, which would be the bean, but I have a feeling that the flowers are going to start setting soon. Probably come in May or late this month, and we're going to start seeing some yard-long beans getting produced. Now, I have no idea as far as what to expect throughout the summer. I don't know if these things continue to produce just because of the weather being hot, or if they only produce 10 beans per vine per grow. I don't know, but we're going to learn together. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned, as I'll provide you with updates on the progress of these yard-long beans going through this summer. Have a good day.